Hey, what's up, YouTube? All right, so I'm here with a student.
Hi.
She is going to be taking her driving test in the morning. It is now 10:30 at night. We're practicing because I have no other time. I've been working since 8 this morning.
Yeah, it's never too late to drive, I guess.
It is my life.
It's pitch dark.
Yeah, it's dark outside, but we're doing it. We're still making it happen. So she's going to be running through her driving test because she's testing in the morning.
Yes.
All right, so they're going to ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
To the left, away from the curb.
What else do you do?
You put your, you put the car in park and you put your emergency brakes.
And what else?
You turn the car off?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I thought that was obvious. Yeah, you turn
Yeah,
the car
it is
off.
obvious, but they want you to say it.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, now they ask you to do the turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. Alright, so they're going to check to make sure the brake lights are working, the turn signal lights are working, the horns are working. They will not take you out in the car if those things are not working. Alright?
Good.
So now we're going to reverse from here and we're going to run through the driving test. So we're going to back up until the mirror gets to the end of the line.
Okay.
And then we're going to turn to the right. We're going to just run through this real quick. Alright, stop like here, turn all the way right. Alright, that's cool. And yeah, the examiners are actually in the car with you now. So yeah, for those of you that still don't know that, the examiners are in the car. So we're gonna go to the stop sign and then make a left turn. So you signal left. So every time they tell you to turn, you signal. Because
Yes.
if you don't signal, you lose in points.
And wait 3 seconds at the...
Yeah, stop and
At the
count to
stop
3.
sign.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
And we're gonna go to the stop sign at the end of this parking lot, and we're making a left turn again. Alright, don't go too fast.
Okay. No, I'm at 15.
15 is good. That's perfect. Alright, make a left turn again. So you make sure you come to a complete stop here. Look both ways, make sure it's clear.
1, 2, 3. Look for the raccoons.
Look for the raccoons, because they will be here. There's always a bunch of raccoons in this parking lot.
So are there going to be like cars parked while I'm doing this?
It's gonna be like this. Well, it's probably gonna be a few cars back here, but not many. Over there where we're doing the 3-point turn and all of that, there's usually cars over there.
Why?
Because it's a regular parking lot, girl.
You see?
Go ahead.
Raccoon? Oh my gosh.
City. Yeah. I would have turned the camera on them, except it's too dark.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna make a right turn here. So slow down here. Make sure your mirror is past this curb so your back wheel does not hit the curb, right? Alright, go ahead, make it right. And you're staying close to your right side because they're gonna tell you to stop as soon as you go around this corner.
Okay.
So you're gonna stop like about here. And they're gonna tell you the next thing they're gonna ask you to do is the quick stop. So speed up to 20 miles per hour and do a sudden stop.
Okay.
And stop. Okay.
My gosh. I'm going to get
Just
whiplash.
Like that. Just like that. Okay, so now they're gonna ask you to reverse straight back.
Okay.
So look behind you and roll straight back. Until I say stop. Okay, that's good enough, stop. So you're basically just rolling back in a straight line. There's really nothing to it. Now we're gonna put it back in drive. We're gonna go down, go around the corner because we're gonna park. And just do it like that. Alright, so you signal. So every time they tell you to turn, right, make sure you signal because if you don't, you're gonna be losing points.
That's a baby one.
Yeah, that's a really small one. Yeah, there's a bunch of them here. I don't know. I mean, you see that? You see how many of them right there? There's like 5 of them right there,
that's...
close to the right.
Okay.
You see the bush over there though?
Yes.
There's probably thousands of them in
Yes.
that bush. Alright, so you're gonna come up and line up your mirror at the pole.
Signal.
Like
Turn my wheel all the way.
All the way left.
And then slowly.
Alright, when you pass the pole, you straighten up and pull right in, just like that. Perfect. Sweet. Alright, now we're gonna reverse and we're gonna go to the left to do the 3-point turn. So back straight out. Alright. turn all the way right.
Yes.
And you're gonna back up until your mirror is past the middle.
Mm-hmm.
Like that. Stop. Put the car back in drive, and we're gonna pull up on the right side so we can do the 3-point turn.
Yeah.
Right here. Stop. And now we're gonna do the 3-point turn. So signal. All the way left. Alright, you're gonna stop like right there, put the car back in reverse, all the way right. Look behind you. Alright, as soon as your mirror is past the middle again, you're gonna stop, put the car back in drive, signal left again, and turn all the way left. Cool. Alright, now we're gonna go to the stop sign and make a left turn. So you stop completely.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, then we're just gonna go all the way back down to the front and park. And that should be it.
You know these people that are gonna test me? Are they your friends?
Well, I know them. I wouldn't say they're my friends.
They better not film me.
I know all of them because I mean, well, honestly, there's a few new ones. Make a left here.
Yes.
But I've owned the school for 20-something years. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
So therefore, I know most of them. I'm pretty cool with most of them. Park on the left side. But we're not looking for any favors, right?
No, I'm just...
Exactly.
If I don't like my picture, they better retake it for me.
Well, they won't. They'll do that. They'll do that. Why wouldn't you like your picture though?
Cause what if I'm not ready? If I blink, no.
Well, they'll take it over a few times. They're not gonna just keep doing it until you're happy.
Nah.
They're gonna be like, girl, that's it. Anyway.
That's how long I have this ID for like 10 years, no?
Yeah, it's been about 7. I think it's 7.
Okay.
All right. So how you think you did?
I think I did pretty well considering it's literally pitch black outside. So.
You did great, actually. Yeah, she did as I expected her to do. She did great. So I'm pretty sure she'll pass with 100%. I'll put that in the description.
Manifesting.
Yes, 100%. Anyway, tell the people to like and subscribe and share and
Make
all
sure
that.
to like and subscribe and share and come to the ACC driving school to learn how to drive.
Thank you very much, madam. All right, thank you guys for watching. You hear the lady, just do what she say, and see you guys on the next video.